ConnectLife app installation and account registration. Using your smartphone, search and select the App Store app. Press the search button. Type ConnectLife in the search input field and press the search button. Download the app. Open the app. Press OK to allow the ConnectLife app to access your smartphone's Bluetooth. Press Allow if you would like the ConnectLife app to send you notifications. Press the Get Started button. Create a ConnectLife account using your preferred email along with generating a new password by typing them into the input fields. Press Done. Be sure to read and review both the Register privacy policy's terms and conditions before checking the input boxes. Press the Create Account button. A verification code is sent to your email. Copy the verification code. Paste the verification code into the input field. Press the Create Account button again. Registration successful will appear. Fill out the user information and additional contact information input fields. Then press the Next button. Registration successful will appear, informing you that you are all set to start using your ConnectLife app. Press the Sign In button. App registration is complete and you can start using your ConnectLife app with your home appliance.